digital identity. Call digital economy. I just say unya digital identity to participate in digital economy. No, na enechire say ye pese ubia owo Ghana ye mano Ghana card. Eno ebeye ne digital identity ko bibia wo betumi a kire se wo eno obia uka se uye no. Na digital identity no uhwe Ghana ya issue almost 18 million Ghana cards no. Ya buy na yendu 900,000 po. Ene ya 18 million. President Kufona edi buy say yenye Ghana card 208. Okoye ye ntimi anye for the next 8 years. But ye buy ya 18 million Ghana cards in the last 7 years. Na buayen bebre. Ushe soa via siha uko US omunyenye omo digital card the Ghana card no any US. Say na US for omudin komo say omo issue sa card no EU European Union say no omo countries ni na up to 2030 say omo issue digital cards no emma omo citizens 2030 Ghana there ya share say that we are more than 85% of adults ni na ya Ghana cards no nananom ye be share say unim say abrochire ye wo akola ye mano national ID number at birth. Ye manu national ID number. Enti meso meka say Ghana yeso yenye no sa ye wo akola ye manu national ID. Enti ye the databases na meso me say ye ebenya birth certificate certificate no so. Enti yen combine said ye the issue national ID na ye issue birth certificate ID at the same time. Enti nananom ene ejuma no ye wie enti ene ye wo akola na odine ko way in wo hospital ene ya ye system no way in hono ye be ma no Ghana card ID any birth certificate ID at the same time. So yama amenom ne papa nom omum brebium omum ko se omum ko births and deaths ako apply akoji ya ni nyina digital enti yema national ID na ama birth certificate ID na beto phone so na ni di uwo data na nyina ya ne digital enti mimi gidi say first country in the world ya no minim any other country ubetimi agi birth certificate and national ID at the same time minyehu sa country no na nananom Ghana card no so abebuayen because usha you use Ghana card no I check ghost workers or your public payroll mo ghost workers uni nananom na nipa bebre wo ho a omoji ekotua na omonko ejuma omoji sika bad omonko ejuma omodin wo payroll mo le fro mo ghost workers enti me ka say Ghana card no betimi check ghost workers no yen link every government worker to the Ghana card. It's because every worker will fingerprints. Na nsamanfo de omuni fingerprints. Enti ye linki sa Ghana card not to workers no. Nsamanfo ni nyina adwane ye. Ghost workers ni nyina omu dwane ye. Nananom National Service Scheme na ye who 44,000 ghost workers. National Service. Ye linkage no. Umunyina Jania 44,000 ye save 420 million Ghana cedis. One institution. Ye call SNIT, ye call Linky, Ghana card no. Ye who 29,000 ghost pensioners. Ana over 300 million Ghana cedis savings. Two institutions pay over 700 million Ghana cedis savings. Ghana card no ada hormano. Enti You are cleaning up the whole of the Controller and Accountant General database. And then Ghana, you need ghost workers where payroll mobile. You sa problem na edda ho from independence. Eko see eneno. Ye sa problem mo Africa. Nananom Ghana card no so ya call linki ye Ghana card to the International Civil Aviation Database wo Canada. Sa civil aviation database no a controlling airports na points of entry 44,000 airports ne border points across the world. Ye the Ghana card ko omu processes no nyina a passe enti ene uwo abrochire ene uwo China na say Germany, UK, US, Australia, Dubai ena u passport eyira ubetimi afa Ghana card afroplane abagana betimi afa passport Ghana card afroplane abaha untimi mfantu kwa idea from here but ubetimi afa abagana from abroad na sano ebabua yenyina nananum nyame adum ye twumabi ye bewie before the end of this year ye di adia ya freno e-gates aba arrival hall wo Kotoka International Airport. E-gates ne kire say electronic gates na uye Ghana ni na oba Ghana ofuru plane obedu Kotoka ehia say obeko immigration bium ode Ghana card ko see e-gates no na abie amao na wako inside the baggage area wako yi uniema ebebu ayi nyina na de toso no so say nyame adum next year nyame aduma passport application ebeye easy kra ama obia because ye beye Ghana card no mibisa say omomfa passport application no form no embra you make sure say all the questions on the passport application form na ewo Ghana card no so enti your data ni nyina wo Ghana card no so nyame adum from next year no need for separate passport application uhia passporta ko na kotua fee no fa Ghana card number to ho na omo print passport no amao there will be no need for any other passport application. It is very straightforward. Tuyausika energy na omo print passport no amao nananum de tosoa